Restoration begins as precise excavations unlock the first step to foundational stability. Deep within the earth, piers are anchored, securing the strength from the bedrock itself. Through expertise, imbalance is revealed. A home's quiet descent, now measured and challenged, inch by delicate inch, hydraulic precision breeds correction, lifting burdens you never shouldered. A subtle ascent as the scales tilt. Balance restores, and a residence reclaims its rightful stance. In the aftermath, no trace but the craftsmanship that speaks volumes. A foundation, once faltering, stands firm. Join us on a journey of transformation, one structure at a time. Your home's legacy reclaimed.